Ralph Mann, Mann's Outdoors. We're about to harvest some onions. We've got a number of them, and good sized ones too. But when they get the neck bent over or soft in the neck, that's when you need to harvest. So we're going to go ahead and get some of these, but we're going to leave whatever we can because we can't eat that many onions that quick. We're going to get these drying, and I'll show you that. Not bad for just a couple of seconds. That's a big onion. How about that purple one? Most of the purple ones are right down the middle of the tomatoes, and they're still standing up good, but these three had gotten soft necks and it started to fall over. We've got some really nice sized onions. Well, we've got some medium size as well, but some of them are really big. I want to leave the rest of these, let them continue to grow. There's more down at the other end, but these are nice size as well, but as long as they're standing up, we're going to keep them in the ground. We're going to take these onions and some potatoes that we harvested and get them to dry out so that they'll store longer. I'm headed to the garage. This is the shelving rack that we started our seeds on. It's now become our drying rack. These are garlic bulbs, and we've got some shallots. We've also got onions that have been up here drying, and so I'm going to add the onions that we harvested today, and we're going to put this on the rack and let them dry as well. We added the purple onion up top. That whole row is new. And then we added onions here and onions on this end. We got some shallots right here that were already drying. We'll continue to let these go until the roots break off easily. They're getting close. And then we will, once the roots break off easily, then we'll cut them at the neck a couple of inches up, and that way they're supposed to last quite a bit longer. So we'll keep you posted. We've got them drying. This way they'll cure. We've got plenty more in the garden, as you already saw. We'll keep you posted on those, but this is going to be a lot to eat for the time being. We'll probably have to freeze some of it. We may dice some, freeze it, put it in freezer bags, and vacuum seal it, but we'll have onions for a while. Hope this was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up. We're getting close to the 1,000 subscriber mark. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Till next time, God bless.